Hello dear. Today we will get to know the 4 essential to be with you if you have an iPhone. To keep your phone and last for a longer time and to decorate as well. Let's go.
Its back cover. Find this corner where you can separate the two parts and then slowly go around the edge to take them apart. Install the front frame from the top side, the front camera side, to the bottom side, the charging side. Top to bottom installation is crucial for proper fitting of the front piece. Do not install the front piece from bottom to top, as this will not work. Press the case hard to fit around your iPhone. Snap the front frame into place with the back cover. Insert the top of the front frame and push the bottom into place. Set in the top side to seamlessly fit the phone into the top part of the case. Lift up and attach the bottom side. Go around the edges and press the parts together for proper fitting. Clean the phone screen in the middle and around the edges with the 2 enclosed wipes in a packet. This process will ensure that your screen is fully clean and clear before you add the screen protector into place so that it will look great and sleek once you are all finished. The screen protector is compatible with the iPhone 12 and the iPhone 12 Pro. All of the buttons on your phone will now be responsive through the screen protector you've installed. The case provides a comfortable grip and still shows all of the original beauty of your iPhone. If you need to remove your case from your iPhone, carefully follow these steps. Remove the soft case from the bottom side to the top side. Take off the front piece. Find the corner and place your finger at the bottom. Tug downward on the corner with your thumb to slide the frame off of your phone.
Thank you for watching this video. If you enjoyed yourself, make sure to press that like button, and if you want to see more of these videos, make sure to press that subscribe button and notification so you would know when we drop a new video. Also, if you're interested in any of these products, you will find all their links in the description. Thank you.